We're gonna get the fill tool, paint bucket tool, ka-chang, there you go. It's a little bit of light yellow. The funny thing about this is when we create a new layer with this icon here, create new layer, we got a new layer and we're gonna name this menu, for example, and we're gonna pick a different font color, perhaps a little bit darker, and we're gonna select this here and use the paint bucket. There we go. Interesting enough, you have the ability to use these layers separately from each other. So this means you can hide or show with the eye icon. You can hide or show, or toggle the visibility between layers, and you can place them on top or underneath each other. The layer at the top is also the layer. Imagine you have some transparent images before you, and you have them on a pile. That's exactly this one. This one is on top, so it's gotta be on top. Let me show you the text tool. It's this T. We can click on it, and we can down click the mouse and create a shape for the text. We're gonna let go, and we're gonna type in some text, logo. We're gonna select this text by double clicking or Control A or whatever you want, and we're gonna change the size here at the top to 24 pixels of my website, and we can even change the color here, so something like this, and we can change the font here, perhaps something bigger now. Well, this seems neat. We're gonna drag the box a little bit down like this. Yep. Well, this is a great starter for a web page. Let me just show you that if you want to change the actual text here, you need to double click on this T, so you can change the text. If you double click on the layer itself, it will show you a layer style property. We're gonna handle that in a moment. If you double click on the text, you can rename the text of the layer, but if you want to change this text, you have to click on this T or use the text tool and click one time and you can change it. With a text layer, the layer gets the name of what you have typed in here. So logo of my website is also the name of the layer, but I'm gonna name this logo. It doesn't affect the text here, but it's just for your own reference. Let me just show you how to create a group. Say we want to create some pages like welcome, about me, and contact. We're gonna position this for the menu, so we're gonna downsize this a little bit, like 24 pixels, another font maybe, Arial, and we're gonna align this right, and sorry, before I forgot, we're gonna select the move tool, which and this uncheck auto select layer, and we can drag it around. So you're gonna drag it something like here, and we're gonna double click. It automatically selects all the text, and we're gonna use another color for the fonts and perhaps a little bit of 20 like this. This seems like a menu to me. There are some additional properties for the text. If you're editing the text, you can find the text styling box under this icon. Here you have several options which are not available in this box. So say we want to, an important property is the line height. Let's